Traders want to level up your trading view game. Today we're comparing LuxAlgo and AlgoPro, two tools designed to sharpen your signals and improve your entries. Whether you prefer simplicity or total control, we'll break down what each has to offer. First, LuxAlgo. One of the most well-known premium indicators, it's recognized for its clear buy and sell signals, trend dashboards, and automatic support and resistance levels. It's perfect for swing and intraday traders who value clarity over complexity. With live volatility bands, trend strength meters, and minimal setup, LuxAlgo helps you stay in trades longer and avoid false moves. Plus, it comes with a large user community, sleek dashboard, and active Discord support. Next is AlgoPro, a more under-the-radar tool designed for traders who want deeper technical precision, especially for scalping and pinpoint entries. It's highly customizable, allowing you to fine-tune filters, switch strategies, and combine features like divergent signals, market structure overlays, and heat maps. The learning curve is higher, but it gives advanced traders full control over their setups, and its smaller community often shares custom setups and scalping insights. So if you want a straightforward tool to boost confidence in your trades, LuxAlgo is a solid choice. If you enjoy experimenting and optimizing every aspect of your strategy, AlgoPro might be your better fit. Thanks for watching.